Hello and welcome. Are you finding that as you get a little older, you're paying more attention to those numbers on your health reports? Maybe your doctor mentioned your creatinine levels, and you're wondering what that really means for you. It's a common concern for many of us over 65. You're feeling good, enjoying your retirement, but you want to make sure you're doing everything you can to stay healthy, especially when it comes to vital organs like your kidneys. High creatinine can sound alarming, and it's definitely something to pay attention to. It's a key indicator of how well your kidneys are doing their job. But here is the good news I want to share with you today. You have more power than you might think to support your kidney health through simple, everyday choices. And it can be delicious too. In this video, we're going to dive into 3 specific, kidney-safe fruits that are not only tasty, but are also backed by science to help manage your creatinine levels and support your overall kidney function. We'll explore why they work, how they protect your kidneys, and give you some easy ways to make them a part of your daily routine. So grab a cup of tea, get comfortable, and let's talk about how to keep your kidneys happy for years to come. First, let's get a clear picture of what creatinine actually is. I promise to keep it simple, no complicated medical jargon here. Think of your muscles. Every day as you move around, whether you're gardening, playing with your grandkids, or just walking to the mailbox, your muscles are working. This natural process of muscle use and breakdown creates a waste product called creatinine. It's a completely normal byproduct of being active. Now, this is where your amazing kidneys come into play. Your kidneys are like the master filtration system for your body. One of their most important jobs is to filter this creatinine out of your blood and flush it out of your body when you use the restroom. When your kidneys are healthy and working efficiently, they keep the level of creatinine in your blood within a nice, stable, low range. It's a beautifully balanced system. So what does it mean when your doctor says your creatinine levels are high? A high level suggests that your kidneys might not be filtering waste as effectively as they should be. It's a signal, a little red flag, that tells us we need to pay closer attention to our kidney health. For those of us over 65, kidney function can naturally decline with age, so it becomes even more important to monitor these levels and take proactive steps. Managing creatinine isn't just about a number. It's about preserving the long-term health of these vital organs that work so hard for us every single day. Understanding this helps us see why a kidney-friendly diet is so powerful. Now for our first kidney-supporting superstar, the cranberry. These small, tart, vibrant red berries are more than just a holiday sauce. They are a true powerhouse for kidney health. So what's their secret? It comes down to unique compounds called proanthocyanidins, or PACs for short. You may have heard that cranberries are great for preventing urinary tract infections or UTIs, and that's absolutely true. These PACs have a remarkable ability to stop certain bacteria, like E. coli, from sticking to the walls of your urinary tract and bladder. Why is this so important for your kidneys? Well, an untreated UTI can sometimes travel up from the bladder and cause a more serious kidney infection. By preventing UTIs in the first place, cranberries act as a protective shield, reducing the risk of this kind of stress and damage to your kidneys. This is a huge benefit, especially as we get older, when UTIs can become more common. But that's not all. Cranberries are also packed with antioxidants. Think of antioxidants as your body's personal cleanup crew. They fight against something called oxidative stress, which is a type of damage that can happen to cells throughout your body, including in your kidneys. By reducing this stress, the antioxidants in cranberries help protect your kidney cells and support their overall function. And here is another crucial point for anyone on a kidney-friendly diet. Cranberries are naturally low in potassium. When kidneys aren't working at their best, they can have trouble filtering excess potassium from the blood, which can be dangerous. Many healthy fruits are surprisingly high in potassium, but cranberries are a safe and excellent choice. How can you get more of these amazing berries into your diet? Fresh or frozen cranberries are fantastic. You can toss them into a smoothie, add them to your morning oatmeal, or even bake them into muffins. Unsweetened cranberry juice is another great option, but be very careful to read the label. Many cranberry juice cocktails are loaded with sugar, which you want to avoid. Look for 100% pure juice, and consider diluting it with water if it is too tart for you. Let's move on to our second delicious and kidney-friendly fruit, blueberries. It's hard to resist a handful of sweet, juicy blueberries, and the good news is, you don't have to. These little blue dynamos are one of the best foods you can eat for your overall health, and especially for your kidneys. Their beautiful blue color comes from powerful plant compounds called anthocyanins. Anthocyanins are a type of antioxidant that is particularly effective at reducing inflammation throughout the body. Chronic inflammation is a major contributor to many age-related health issues, including the progression of kidney disease. It puts constant stress on your organs. By fighting this inflammation, the anthocyanins in blueberries help protect the delicate filtering units in your kidneys, known as nephrons, from damage. This helps preserve their function and keeps them working more efficiently. Think of it like calming a fire. Inflammation is the fire, and the anthocyanins in blueberries are the firefighters, helping to cool things down and prevent further damage. This protective effect is key to maintaining kidney health over the long term. Beyond their anti-inflammatory power, blueberries are also a fantastic source of other important nutrients. They are packed with vitamin C, another powerful antioxidant that supports your immune system and overall cellular health. They're also a good source of fiber. Fiber is essential for good digestion, but it also plays an indirect role in kidney health by helping to control blood sugar levels and remove toxins from the body. The best part about blueberries is how incredibly easy they are to enjoy. They require no peeling or chopping. You can eat them fresh by the handful as a perfect snack. You can sprinkle them over low-potassium yogurt or a bowl of kidney-friendly cereal. They are wonderful blended into a smoothie with a bit of unsweetened almond milk and maybe some of those cranberries we just talked about. You can even buy them frozen, which is often more affordable, and they are just as nutritious. Adding a cup of blueberries to your diet a few times a week is a simple and delicious step toward better kidney protection. And now for our third and final fruit, a true classic that you might already have in your kitchen: the apple. That old saying, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away," might hold some real truth when it comes to your kidneys. Apples are a fantastic choice for a kidney-friendly diet for several very important reasons. One of the star components of an apple is a type of soluble fiber called pectin. When you eat an apple, this pectin goes to work in your digestive system. It has been shown to be very effective at helping to lower both bad cholesterol and blood sugar levels. You might be wondering, what does that have to do with my kidneys? Well, a lot, actually. High blood pressure and high blood sugar, often associated with diabetes, are two of the leading causes of kidney damage. By helping to manage cholesterol and blood sugar, the pectin in apples reduces the strain on your entire cardiovascular system, which in turn eases the workload on your kidneys and helps protect them from long-term damage. But that's not the only benefit. Apples, especially their skin, are rich in a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compound called quercetin. Much like the compounds we discussed in blueberries, quercetin helps fight inflammation and oxidative stress in the body. Research suggests that quercetin can specifically help protect kidney cells from injury, making it another valuable tool in your kidney health arsenal. So, how should you enjoy apples? The great thing about them is their versatility. Of course, eating a whole fresh apple is the easiest and one of the best ways. And here's a tip: make sure you eat the skin. That's where a large amount of the fiber and quercetin is found. Just be sure to wash it well. You can slice them up and have them with a small spoonful of peanut butter, or chop them and add them to a salad for a sweet crunch. You can bake them with a sprinkle of cinnamon for a warm, healthy dessert, or even make unsweetened applesauce at home. They're a sweet, satisfying, and incredibly beneficial snack. So to quickly recap, we've talked about 3 wonderfully delicious and kidney-safe fruits you can start enjoying today. First, cranberries, which help protect your urinary tract and are loaded with antioxidants. Second, blueberries, packed with inflammation-fighting anthocyanins to shield your kidney cells. And third, apples with their special fiber, pectin, and quercetin to help manage blood sugar and cholesterol, reducing the burden on your kidneys. Incorporating these fruits into your diet is a simple, proactive, and enjoyable way to support your health. However, and this is the most important part of the entire video, please remember that this information is for educational purposes only. It is not medical advice. Everyone's health situation is unique. Before making any significant changes to your diet, especially if you have been diagnosed with kidney issues, you must speak with your doctor, a registered dietitian, or a healthcare provider. They can give you personalized advice based on your specific health needs and test results. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today. I hope you found this information helpful and empowering. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more health tips. Stay healthy, stay proactive, and we'll see you in the next video.